Assalamu alaikum. Today my presentation topic name is molecular structure of metal carbonyl. Metal carbonyl has four types of structures like mononuclear, dinuclear, trinuclear and tetranuclear. First of all, we are discussing about mononuclear structure of metal carbonyl. Mononuclear metal carbonyl structure contain only one atom. These are comparatively simple than other structures of metal carbonyls. The example of mononuclear metal carbonyl is nickel tetracarbonyl and the metacarbonyl of iron. Nickel tetracarbonyl has tetrahedral shape and the pentacarbonyl of iron has trigonal bipyramidal shape. And you can see that in both examples contain only one atom. Now we are discussing about dinuclear structure, and the dinuclear structure of metal carbonyl has two metal atoms. It either involves a breaching carbonyls or terminal carbonyls. First of all, we are discussing about the breaching carbonyls, then we will discuss about the terminal carbonyls group. Breaching carbonyls that attach to the two metal atoms simultaneously, while the other terminal carbonyl groups that attach to the only one metal atom. And the example of by dinuclear metal carbonyl structure is Diron nona carbonyl contain three CO ligands that form bridge between the iron atom. Also has three other CO groups attached only to that atom. And the second structure of dinuclear metal carbonyl is Mn2CO10, in which 10 CO ligands that attach to the Mn. That actually involve only metal-metal bond, so the formula more accurately written as CO5 Mn and MCO5 like this, and the structure is present on, you can see on that screen. The structure of MnCO2 is sometimes drawn to appear as if four CO ligands form a square planar around the Mn atom that you can see on that screen. In fact, the four CO do not lie in the same plane as Mn atom. They lie about 12 pm far from the plane containing Mn on the side opposite to the metal-metal bond. The two isomers are known for cobalt, which has ligand CO. One has metal-metal bond between the cobalt atom, the other has two bridging CO ligands and a metal-metal carbonyl. You can see on the screen that there are I have drawn two structures. First one is the simplest structure and the second one is the bridging structure. And the third type of metal carbonyl structure is trinuclear structure. Trinuclear structure, you can see that it contains three metal atoms. Trinuclear and higher compounds are thought of as metal cluster containing either metal-metal bond. You can see that there is a lot of there are 12 there is a cluster of CO ligands around the Ru atom, and these are complicated structure than we are discussing already in previous slides. This is more comparatively difficult than other structures. Like now we are discussing about tetranuclear structure. Tetranuclear metal carbonyl contains four metal atoms. Carbonyl containing four metal atoms in the cluster are formed by CORH and IR, in which metal atoms are arranged in tetrahedron with 12 CO ligands, 9 in terminal position and 3 that are bridging. The structure of tetranuclear metal carbonyl you can see on that your screen, in which IR is IR are the four atoms on which CO ligands are attached on their relative position. This is my lecture now. Thanks for listening it.